welcome to my channel. Let's make a stretched canvas frame today. Now I've got a lot of frames made by the carpenters. For this video I'm using 12" by 18" frame. I have coated this frame with a varnish from Asian Paints. You can use any varnish to protect the wood, or you can skip the process if you feel that your frame doesn't require any varnish. I've applied one coat and let it dry completely for 24 hours. The next thing that you're going to need is the canvas fabric. Lay the canvas fabric on a flat surface and place your frame. Now my frame has the right and wrong side. If your frame has that, so make sure the right side is facing down and the wrong side is facing you. So after placing everything and adjusting everything, I'm just going to do all the minor adjustments here. I'm happy with the placement. The next thing that I'm going to need here is the tackle gun. Now I'm using Miles tackle gun. It's really good tackle gun. It's made up of heavy body, metal body, and it's very easy to hold. All the instructions are behind the box, and if you are young, under the age, please have adult supervision to use this. The final thing that you're going to need is a lot of human strength. I mean it, guys, you're going to need a lot of human strength, and if you can't do it, go find a help. It's okay. And you need to pull the fabric real tight. Now you're seeing me pin the staple on the center of the frame, and I'm going to pull real tight and put the pin right opposite to it and not next to it, and just see me stretch the frame, the fabric here, guys. The struggle was really real, but it's okay. You can do it on your own as well, but if you can't, it's okay. Go find some help. Yeah. Now you're going to see me using this kitchen tool quite often in this video. I did not have the hammer, you guys, so I just used anything I found in the kitchen. It's okay. And I'm placing another staple pin there right next to it, like 2 inches apart, and hammering it down. And I'm going to turn the frame again and pull the fabric in the opposite direction real tight, and staple the fabric down in the wood. This is the trick, you guys. Staple, turn, pull, and then staple again. That's the trick to get evenly stretched fabric. That's how you make a perfectly stretched canvas at home. It's so easy. Just see the process. It's very easy. I'm going to fast forward here so that you can keep up with the process. So you're going to notice that I start from the middle and then I go at the end. So that's how I feel like doing. I mean, I get the evenly stretched fabric like that. So if you find another way, it's okay. Corners are a little tricky part. Just see how I'm placing my thumb on the fabric, pulling it real tight in the corners, and then pulling it real tight again on the, just make sure to make hospital corners of the stretch frame. If you have made any hospital corners in your bedspread, this is what we are going to do. Same trick we are going to use. We are going to make hospital corners on our stretched canvas. So yeah, just all the 4 corners, I'm just pinning it down. I'm using the knife here too. Anything that helps to get the perfect corners. Now I'm placing all the pins in all the gaps. I'm placing it in every little space, just pinning it down, and wherever you feel is required, just pin it down and hammer the pins in the wood. I'm trimming off the extra fabric here to just make it a little more aesthetic. This is it, and if you feel like you need to pin the corners again, just adjust everything and pin it down. So this is it, you guys. This is how we make stretched canvas fabric. If you want to see the part 2, what to do, what kind of finishings we put in the next step, please watch the part 2 of the video. See the bounce in the stretched fabric, that is how tight we want it. So thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video.